Well, just look at this for a start off. Oh dear, what a messy morning. Lovely driving here. I've just this minute arrived at the station.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 11:37 London North Western Railway. Milton Keynes Central, Bletchley, Leighton Buzzard and...
There you are, let's get back in the drive, shall we? Today the water train has left Dagenham, so hoping to see that. And I've even forgotten the day, it must be about the 15th. I'll try and remember to put it up on the screen. And I left it a bit late leaving home because of one thing and another. And it takes me 8 minutes to walk to my garage, which is a rented one. So I walked up to the garage with everything in hand, checked it all out before I left home. Just went to open the garage, looked down, and I still got my slippers on. Oh, what a laugh to start the day. Let's hope it all goes in a funny fashion. Okay, thanks for joining me. So I wouldn't have come out today if it hadn't have been for that running. I haven't been able to catch it for quite some time, and it is the 11th of March. Okay, a bit shaky this morning, but we're going to zoom in and see if we can see what's at Wolverton Works, or outside Wolverton Works. There's nothing I can do about the shakes. It's a very, very long zoom. Okay, so I'll take a still shot and we'll have a look at that as well. Well, it's just a little bit disappointing this lunchtime because there's 4 freights and they've all been cancelled, and we've had the car train, which is what I really come for, and the water train should be through any minute, and then I think I shall make the little 45-minute journey back home and sit in front of my computer in the warm. Okay, it's a lovely sunny day, but it's still a bit chilly, but it's early yet, it's not summer, is it? Thank you for watching.